My philosophy has always been a progressive one, in the sense that what our parents and ancestors have given us is a better world than the one they entered, that people should build on the progress that their forebears made. Each generation moves forward for the betterment of all. Social, political, and technological advances should be each generation's crowning achievement. I'll simply say that I see us as a society that can create better conditions of life for each succeeding generation. There's one more idea that I hold close: time. Time is a gift that I cannot repay, except maybe with work. I need time to develop an idea. It can't be rushed. These collections became so big that I needed a place to sort them and dry them out. Once I started to figure out how to photograph it inside, I was able to see that this would be a continuous process. I'd collect, I'd bring it back to the studio and organize it and shoot it. And that became the way for me to work, or the signature of how I could tell this story. I realize, that I am telling a story. It's contemporary New York life. We are what we throw away. We are what we consume. We are, what we do to the environment. If you look at each thing I've just said, what are we doing to the environment? We're kind of ruining it for ourselves. We're poisoning it with plastic. I don't feel like going swimming in the nice beaches because they're only separated by a couple of miles, and I know what's out there. So I don't feel like going in that water. It's the same water as far as I'm concerned. So there's a straight line from manufacturing to the consumer to the ocean. And what I'd like to see happen would be a circle. A circle meaning manufacturer, consumer, manufacturer. If I leave people with anything from having done my work, is I just want to plant a seed of awareness. And that's really my message. I'm not trying to beat anybody into submission to do it my way, but if you come away with something that you're aware, that's big to me.